At the beginning of the year, we always like to do something a little bit lighter, and we always like to incorporate the air fryer. So today, I'm going to do a really great and simple and light green bean air fryer recipe for you. And it's going to be a little bit spicy. So if you got kids and you want to serve it to the kids, maybe dial back a little bit on the pepper, but you're really going to like this. And it starts with some pretty simple ingredients here. I've got breadcrumbs, I've got eggs, I've got flour, and I've got my fresh green beans. So you can imagine that I'm going to have a little dredging station going here. So I'm going to start with combining my flour and my cayenne and my chili powder, and some house seasoning. I'm just going to mix these ingredients together. I think I'm going to use a fork and save my whisk for the eggs. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix these things together here. This is a good way to get your kids in the kitchen. Dredging stations are, fun if you've never done it before, and they're not fun and they're a mess if you've done it a million times. So this would be a good time maybe to get the kids in and get them excited about something and give them some ownership. So I'm going to go ahead and put my flour mixture into my shallow dish here. Beat my eggs. And I don't have to scramble them for restaurant scrambled egg quality. I just want to lightly beat them. And then my seasoned breadcrumbs down here on the end. Air fryer is, man alive. I tell you what, I've gotten to where I really lean on mine so much, and they're becoming, they're pretty ubiquitous. I think that they're making them now in a lot of the new ovens and microwaves. They also are air fryers, which is pretty cool to me. I use mine a lot at the house. It's a good, clean way to cook. So I'm going to start out with just a couple of green beans here, and we'll go into our flour mixture. And then from there to the eggs. Yeah, this is fun for kids. This is just a mess for me. I'm just like, I don't love working in dredging stations. I think I've just done too many. Yeah, I just want to make sure that my green beans are kind of coated. These look nice. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. And then I'm just going to put them on my lined parchment sheet over here. These parchment sheets are also, I've got them in gross at my house. They just really save the day. They keep the bottom of your air fryer nice and clean, and just help to make the cleanup a lot easier for sure. So that's my first little batch of green beans. I'm going to keep working, but while I do, we'll take a break and then we will come back. The green beans look great. This is after the dredging station with the flour and then into the egg and then into the seasoned breadcrumbs. They look really, really nice. We're gonna pop them in the air fryer for about 4 or 5 minutes, 400, and we'll open the basket and shake it a little bit, and then we'll spray them with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and pop them in for another 5 minutes. So this is gonna be a total of about 10 minutes, and they will be excellent, okay? So here we go. Well, everybody, our green beans turned out really nice looking. And in the air fryer, rather than pan frying or frying in a deep fryer like my mother has, we've saved lots and lots of calories and fat, and I'll be the judge of how good they are. So why don't we do that right now? I know you're jealous. And you and Yuki. Ooh. Green beans still got a little snap to it. It's perfect. Air fryer is good for that. I was saying earlier that I really lean on my air fryer. I cook so many things in it all the time. Either potatoes or fish or steak, burgers. I do burgers in. Air fryer is super reliable, great way to cook. These are really good. And the key, this has got a little bit of cayenne pepper in it, but it's super forgiving. I'll maybe dial it back for the kids, but the recipe is really, really good. So Make some at home. I think you'll like them. Air fryer green beans. Eat all you want. We'll make more.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.